This is the DJ Camelot Wheel, and I'm going to show you how to use it to make effortless mashups. It's a way to simplify musical key by organizing each key into 24 little sections. All keys aren't created equally, though. And if you start to categorize your song library, like me, you'll see some are really popular while some don't really exist. For example, A minor is an extremely popular key for popular music. That's 8A on the Camelot Wheel, and you should have no problem finding songs to mix with 8A songs. So let's keep it nice and easy and start with an 8A song from my music library. We've got a few songs here all in 8A and the same beats per minute, 77. I'm going to go ahead and choose one of those. Who doesn't like Mac Miller? That's a great song. Okay, so Objects in the Mirror is 8A, so you're going to use my free tool here by clicking the link in the description or typing the URL in your search bar. So we're going to click on the 8A button and it's going to show us the potential mashups. Now the best and most harmonious mashups will be in the same key, so that's why the 8A is glowing. That's always going to be the easiest mix. Other options for 8A include 7A, 8B, and 9A. But let's keep it simple for this demo and find another 8A song. You want to look for the BPM to be close or something you can make work mathematically. Songs in the same key in BPM make for the most satisfying mashups. I'm going to be using Serato Studio for this, but any audio software should give you something similar. I'm going to drag in the two songs I selected, and if you don't know the key or BPM audio software like this, or free online tools can give you this info so you can create your own database. You can find that information up here.
I switch whips in the AM, pick up the bagel with the cream cheese, and smoke with a view with a sauce elite. Hope for them ones still in the streets.
I'm dropping in the Mac Miller track now, and you'll notice Serato always starts on the first downbeat of a song, not the start. The one up here shows they're one step apart on the key scale. While both 8A on the Camelot Wheel, Objects in the Mirror is actually a sharp minor. Here I'm just unfolding the song, if you will, so I have them both from the start. You can press S to solo and only hear that track. The cool thing about Serato is it doesn't just split the vocal from the instrumental, but also the melody and bass to really get technical with your mashups. So I know right here I want Mac Miller's vocal and the chill vibe of Munyon Canyon. I'm gonna see what keeping the drums from Objects in the Mirror sounds like. Yeah, that sounds much more cohesive. Then it's really down to how you want to mash the two tracks together, what vibe you're looking for, and whether you want to mix the two in and out, or stick with one instrumental and one vocal. Trim the track how you want it, and when you're done, export. Now you could chop this up all kinds of ways or keep it simple, the choice is yours. I'm going to add some effects to the track here. Let's try some delayed reverb on those vocals. Sounds pretty good to me. You don't have to cry. Mend a broken heart, girl, if you can. You got the world right in your hands. That responsibility is unescapable. I promise that I'll be a different man, please. So what happens when we mix two different keys? I'm going to grab this song here, Shoulda Known by Childish Gambino, and I can see that it's in 5A on the Camelot Wheel. So we know another 5A would sound great, but we want a bit of a challenge. I have yet to come across any songs in 5B, but I know there's plenty in 4A and 6A, so let's start there. Looks like we got a perfect BPM match there with Dancing with Our Hands Tied. Let's check out 6A. We got a few perfect BPM matches there too, but I'm feeling the Swiftie vibes here. You're obviously wondering why Taylor Swift sounds like this, and the answer lies in that 5 right here, showing us it's 5 steps away from the other song, so Serato automatically puts them in the same key, but you can click the sync button to hear it in its own key. Now, a general rule of thumb is anything above 3 steps is going to sound unnatural, but sometimes things just work, so you got to experiment. I'm honestly not sure which one I prefer. What do you think? Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my free Camelot Wheel tool in the link in the description. Keep on mashing. Keeping you with me, I could've spent forever with your hands in my pockets. Picture of your face in an invisible locket. You said there was nothing in the world that can stop it. I had a bad feeling, but we were dancing. Dancing with our hands tied, yeah, we were dancing.